It was 2 years ago at IFA 2016 when Lenovo introduced a one-of-a-kind 2-in-1 tablet/laptop device that grabbed the attention of visitors, the original Lenovo Yoga Book. And now Lenovo is ready with the evolved successor, the new Lenovo Yoga Book C930. If you can get over the weird name, this device is an interesting hybrid that now knows much better what it wants to be and where it belongs. Lenovo says it was surprised to learn that users of the original Yoga Book used it as a laptop more than 70% of the time and spent a lot less time using it as a tablet. And this realization led it to make the new Yoga Book a much better laptop replacement. What's different about this Yoga Book is the base, the place where you usually have the keyboard on a laptop. Here, instead of a keyboard, you have a screen, and not just any type of screen, but an e-ink display that has 3 functions. It's a keyboard, it's a drawing board, and it's an e-reader. And of course, since this is a Yoga series gadget, it has a 360 hinge that allows all sorts of angles. But as cool as it is as a concept, when you use a laptop you need a good keyboard. Lenovo knows this, and we were surprised at just how good the virtual on-screen keyboard here is. No, it's still nowhere nearly as convenient and fast as a regular keyboard, but it is surprisingly good for a virtual keyboard. And it comes with one important advantage: it's fully customizable and has a nice and responsive trackpad. The second function of the base is a drawing board, and good news is that you also get a pen included with the Yoga Book, so you don't have to spend extra money and buy a stylus separately. The pen is powered by a standard battery, and battery life is measured in the hundreds of hours. There is no way to store the pen inside the Yoga Book, but it does snap magnetically to one side of the tablet, so you can keep things tidy and not lose it. We tried sketching on the Yoga Book and the results were not bad at all, but we're not quite sure it's good enough for professionals. The e-ink screen here means that you can easily transform this laptop into an e-reader. Reading on a traditional screen can be really tough on the eyes, so we really appreciate having the convenience and super long battery life that comes with an e-ink screen. Here's the troubling part. All of these curious concepts coming together in one device might be a great idea on paper, but in reality the units that we saw on display had some severe software issues. The platform froze on us a few times and loading times for the e-ink screen were just too long. It all just felt unfinished. The Yoga Book is powered by an Intel i-series chip and runs Windows, but we sincerely hope that Lenovo optimizes the software performance and fixes the glitches when it launches this. The Yoga Book remains a surprisingly slim and lightweight device. Lenovo claims it is the world's thinnest and lightest dual display laptop. Features a 10.8-inch main LCD screen with a Quad HD resolution and a secondary 10.8-inch Full HD e-ink display. The Yoga Book has a battery that will last you up to 9 hours on a single charge. And it also has a cool trick. Knock it twice when it's closed and it pops open like a clamshell. This didn't always work in our testing, but it was a cool gimmick nonetheless. All in all, the Lenovo Yoga Book C930 doesn't quite feel like a mainstream device. It is instead a mixture of features and functionalities that a geek would dream up. A device that some tech enthusiast has conjured from the depths of their imagination. It also clearly has an enthusiast price of €1,000, more than a lot of very capable laptops and tablets, and it will go on sale in October. So this rounds up our first look at the Lenovo Yoga Book C930. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and I will talk to you in the next one.